Okay, Nicholas, you want to help Mommy making cupcake?
I want mommy cupcake.
Okay. Let's open this. So sit down. Okay. Put them in there. Count them. 1, 2. Oh, you missed it. 3, 4. Good job. Then 5. 5. You can put it anywhere. 6. 7. 8. 9. What's after 9? 10. 11. 12. 12. Go on. Go put it in there. Oh, where is it? Right there. Good job. Thank you. No, you don't need that. Thank you. Tell. We're gonna make a blackberry muffin.
Mommy.
Say, come on. Can you say blackberry cupcake? Don't run away with that.